Okay, so the next level is going to be the Luna level. And let me get the password. Okay, now we're logged in. Great. Everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Luna level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. And let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to read this mission.txt file over here to figure out how we're going to be solving this level. So over here, it says mission 7. The user Eleanor has left her password in a file that occupies 6969 bytes. Nice. Okay, so this is another case where we have to use the find command to find a specific file that that has a specific size in this case. Okay, so the way we would use the find command to find this file, and we would do find and then slash to indicate the entire file system, and we would indicate that this is a file that we're looking for with the type argument here, and we have to specify a size. So in this case, to specify a number of bytes, we do the size and then C for bytes. Then finally, what we're going to do is we're going to redirect all of our error output, which is this number 2, into the dev null device, which is basically making it so that we don't need to look at it. Okay, so when we run this command, we see that so that a file that fits this description exists at this file location here, which is user share moon.txt. So we need to copy this and then read the file. So when we read the file, we see that we say that this is the password for the next level, which is the Eleanor user. So we need to keep track of this, but we can actually use the find command in a different way to read the file automatically. So if we want to read any file that we find using this particular set of search terms, we would run the exec command, and then we would run cat on whatever we find. And I think we need to prepend this. So let's try running this. Okay, so in this case, it found a file, and then when it found the file, which was this moon.txt file, it ran cat on that file, and it was able to get the password like this. Okay, all right, so before we finish out this level, let's do a little bit of an after action report. Let me just grab my key command over here. So our target user in this case was the Eleanor user, and the method of solving was we need to find a file in the system which matches a specific file size. And the key command in this case was this right here. Let's save this out. Okay, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Luna level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.